Hello students, welcome to Time online classes. Today we are going to discuss LAHO 4022053. It is a logical reasoning handout and the topic is number and letter series exercise. In our last class we discussed the basics. Now in this class we are going to discuss number and letter series exercise. Be ready with pen and paper. And in exercise, I am going to display each and every question along with the choices and the logic. Here you no need to write given question and the choices because those are already available with you in your handout. Just make a note of logic. Just copy the logic. That is enough. Okay. Let's get into the exercise. Now, look at the question number 20. ROSNTMU. Single letter questions. Okay, here the single letters are given. Now, write down the place values. Place values of the English alphabet is very important that we discussed in the last class. Place value of R 18, O 15, S 19, N 14, T 20, M 13, U 21. Now identify the logic. 18 15 minus 3, 15 19 plus 4, 19 14 minus 5, 14 20 plus 6, 20 13 minus 7, 13 21 plus 8. Now observe the pattern. Very simple, right? Minus 3 plus 4 minus 5 plus 6 minus 7 plus 8. So what should be next? Minus 9. Consecutive natural number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are consecutive natural numbers. So 8, 21 minus 9. 21 minus 9 is how much? 12. So which letter place value is 12? L. Choice for. My answer is 1. Please note down the logic. So if you write the place values, this is the advantage. You can complete question in less time. Minus 3 plus 4 minus 5 plus 6 minus 7 plus 8 minus 9 is the logic. Alternately increasing, alternately decreasing. Okay. Shall I move to next question? No. Question number 21. Here, each group consists of how many letters? 2 letters. D, V, F, T, I, Q, M, M, or H. Whether the each group consists of 2 letters, or the 3 letters, or 4 letters, or 5, 6, 7, whatever it may be, our procedure remains same. Identify the logic in the first letters, or identify the logic in the second letters, and so on. What are the first letters in each group here? D, F, I, M, R. Now, go ahead with that. D, F, I, M, R. Write the place values. D is 4, F is 6, I is 9, M is 13, R is 18. 4, 6, 9, 13, 18. D is 4, F's place value 6, I's place value 9, M's place value 13, R's place value 18. 4 to 6 increased by 2, 6 to 9 increased by 3, 9 to 13 increased by 4, 13 to 18 increased by 5, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. According to this logic, what will be next? Plus 6. 18 plus 6, 24. Which letter place value is 24? X. X place value is 24. So what is the first letter should be? X. So third option is ruled out. Fourth option is ruled out. So my answer must be either first option or second option. Now definitely we need to check the logic in the second set of letters in each group. What are the second set of letters in each group? V, T, Q, M, H. V, T, Q, M, H. V's place value 22. T's place value 20. Q's place value 17. M's place value 13. H's place value 8. Now 22, 20, 17, 13, 8. 22, 20 minus 2. 20, 17 minus 3. 17, 13 minus 4. 13, 8 minus 5. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So what will be next? Minus 6. 8 minus 6, 2. Which letter place value is 2? B. So my answer should be XB. XB is which option? Second option. Choice 2. And the logic is for first set of letters plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. For second set of letters minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. And the answer is XB. Choice 2. Okay. Please note down this. Here each group may consist of more than 1 letter, 2 letters, 3 letters, any. But go with the standard procedure. Identify the logic in the first set of letters and identify the logic in the second set of letters by writing the place values. But if you write the place values, you can complete it in less time. That is the only thing. Okay. Completed noting? Okay, fine. Now, try it once. Here each group consists of how many letters? 2 letters. CF, HP, RJ, LX, ZZ. Try it once. CF, HP, RZ, LX, ZZ. Anyone? Okay. First write the place values, you will get some idea. C's place value is how much? Okay. C, F, H, P, R, J, L, X, Z, Z. Now, C's place value 3, F's place value 6, and H place value 8, 16. R's place value 18, J's place value 10. J is 10, or you may also consider it as 36. L's place value 12, X place value 24. Absolutely fine. Next, Z place X 24, Z 26, again Z 26. Okay. Now, Z, you can consider this 26, or it can also be considered as 52. Now, once observe the pattern, 3 and 6, you can say it for 2 times. 8, 16, you can say it for 2 times. 18, 36, again it is exactly 2 times. 12, 24, 2 times. So 26, 52, 2 times. Okay, fine. Into 2, logic. But we need to find out what is the next pair, right? That is also important for us, right? To identify the next pair. No. How to identify the next pair? Okay. Now, here identify the logic in each group separately. First letters. What are the first letters? C, H, R, L, Z, right? And I'll erase this. You can understand clearly. Now, C, H increased by how much? Plus 5. It's fine. And here to here it is increased by how much? Plus 10. It is okay. No issue. Next, here to here it may be increased by 15. One thing, or it may be increased by 20. You may go ahead with any of the logics, right? But what is the value given here? 12. Right, what is the value given here? 12. Now, C2H is plus 5, H2R is plus 10. So, to get this 12, how much to be added? To get the 12, how much to be added? 12 is nothing but, it can be 12 or it can be 38. It can also be treated as 38th letter. Okay, so how much? 1838 is nothing but 20 plus 20. Are you getting the idea? How can we say that 38th letter is the L? English alphabet set contains 26 letters, right? So again A will be 27, B will be 28 and so on. So to identify the 38th letter, 38 is simply divided by 26. 26 ones are 26 and the remainder is how much? 12. And 12th letter is what? L. So 12th letter L, which is also equal to 38th letter. Okay. Now, and the logic is plus 5, plus 10, plus 20. Now, if you go ahead with this logic, it should be plus 40 because every time it is getting doubled. 5, 10, 20, 40. So, next should be 80. But whether cross check it whether it is plus 40 or not. And here it is already identified L as a 38. Z can also be treated as what? 38 plus 40, 78. Yes, 78 divided by 26. 26 3s are 78 and the remainder is 0. Absolutely 26th letter and the 78th letter both are same. Now according to this logic, 5, 10, 20, 40, what should be next? 80. No. So either I may do 78 plus 80 or I may do 26 plus 80. 26 plus 80 is equal to how much? 106. 106. Now to identify the 106th letter, it should be divided by 26 English alphabet set. 26 maximum how many times? 4 times, not more than 4 times. 26 fours are how much? 104. And the remainder is how much? 2. What is the second letter in the English alphabet? B. So B is also equal to 106. So my answer must start with B. My answer must start with B. And what is the logic is 3 into 2, 6, 8 into 2, 16, and J is nothing but, we can also write it as 36, again into 2. So perfectly logic is into 2. So B's place value is 2. So 2 into 2, 4. And what is the fourth letter is D. So BD is my answer. Which option? First option. Okay. It is one of the way of discussion. Have you understood this one? Because our standard pattern is what? Identifying the logic in the first letter to first letter and identifying the logic in the second letter to second letter. Any confusion in this? No. First letter to first letter, how much we are adding? Plus 5, plus 10, plus 20, plus 40, plus 80. You may any number is given, we can find the place value. By dividing with the 26, the procedure is explained here. Okay. No. Any confusion? No. Fine. Please copy this. I will tell you in the another way. It means it is a difficult way. I will explain you in the simple way also. First letter to first letter is plus 5, plus 10, plus 20, plus 40, plus 80. And first letter to, and each pair first to second letter, it is multiplied by 2. Or you can also do it again in the same way. Plus 5, plus 10, plus 20, plus 40, plus 80 for the other alternate way also. But it is not required. Okay, I'll explain you. Now, here it is clearly known that 3 into 2, 6, 8 into 2, 16, 12 into 22, 24, and 26 Z is also 52. So it is also into 2. 18 J is also 36. So it is into 2. Into 2, into 2, into 2 logic. So in the just check it in the options. Which option is also matching with the logic of into 2? That is enough. B's place value 2, D's place value 4. So 2 into 2, 4. Perfectly matching first option. If you want to cross check the remaining, second option, B's place value is 2, F's place value is 6. So 2 into 3? No. Our logic should be into 2 only. B, C? No. 2 and 3 place values. C and H? 3 and 8, not into 2. So not the option. So which option is correct? Simply first option. Into 2 logic. Or the other difficult way, plus 5, plus 10, plus 20, plus 40. Next will be plus 80. Plus 10, plus 5, plus 10, plus 20, plus 40, plus 80. Okay. But don't go with the second way, go ahead with the first way. Okay. For this particular mode. Choice 1. Okay. Move to the question number 23. B, W, C, R, E, N, H, K, L, I. So identify the logic in the first set of letters. No. B, C, E, H, L. First letters B, C, E, H, L. Now what are the place values? B is 2, C is 3, E is 5, H is 8, L is 12. And what is the logic is? 2 to 3 plus 1, 3 to 5, plus 2, 5 to 8 plus 3, 8 to 12 plus 4, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So what will be next? Plus 5. So 12 plus 5, 17. Which letter place value is 17? Q. So my answer should be either second option or fourth option. So first option and the third option are ruled out. Now identify the logic in the second set of letters. What are the second set of letters in each group? W, R, N, K, I. And place values. W's place value 23, R place value 18, N's place value 14, K's place value 11, I's place value 9. And logic here minus 5. Okay. 18, 14, minus 4, 14, 11, minus 3, 11, 9, minus 2. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. What will be next? Minus 1. 9 minus 1, 8. Which letter place value is 8? H. So my answer will be which option? Fourth option. Choice 4. And the logic in the first letters, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. And logic in the second letters, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So please copy it. Choice 4. Okay. For the first letters +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, and for second letters -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. You should be thorough with the place values. Okay. Try to remember the place values. Now move to question number 24. Now you try it once. HLEJOILRMNQU. You tried once. Same. Identify the logic in the first set of letters, second set of letters, third set of letters. Otherwise, do with me. What are the first letters? H, J, L, N. We'll solve together. H, J, L, N. Place values: H is 8, J is 10, L is 12, N is 14. 8, 10, 12, 14. What is the logic? 8 to 10 plus 2. 10 to 12 plus 2. 12 to 14 plus 2. So what will be next? 16. P. My answer should start with P. All the options are starting with P. So we cannot decide the logic. Now go ahead with the second set of letters. What are the second set of letters? L, O, or U. Second set of letters are L, O, or U. Place values: L is 12, O is 15, R is 18, U is 21. 12 to 15 plus 3. 12 to 15, what is the logic is? Plus 3. 15 to 18 plus 3. 18, 21 plus 3. So constantly increased by 3. So 21 plus 3, 24. Which letter place value is 24? X. So my answer must be PX. First option, fourth option. Second option is ruled out. Third option is ruled out. Now go ahead with the third set of letters. What are the third set of letters? E, I, M, Q. Write the place values. E's place value 5. I's place value 9. M's place value 13. Q's place value 17. 5, 9, 13, 19. So Q's place value is 17. Please do the correction. 5 and 9 increased by 4. 9 and 13 increased by 4. 13 and 17 increased by 4. So plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 17 plus 4, 21. Which letter place value is 21? U. So my answer is P, X, U. Which option? First or fourth? Fourth option. So first option is ruled out. Choice 4. Choice 4. P, X, U. Logic in the first letters plus 2. Logic in the second letters plus 3. Logic in the third letters plus 4. So plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. I hope you completed noting. Question number 25. Now, here each group consists of how many letters? 5 letters. K, A, D, F, M, P, F, I, K, R, T, J, M, O, V, W, M, P, R, Y. Each group consists of how many letters? 5 letters. Whether it is a 5 letter, 6, 4, anything, or procedure will remain same. Identifying the logic in the first set of letters. Now go ahead with the first set of letters. What are the first set of letters? K, P, T, W. K, P, T, W. K, P, T, W. K's place value 11, P's place value 16, T's place value 20, W's place value 23. 11, 16, 20, 23. What is the logic here? Plus 5, plus 4, plus 4 and plus 3. So what should be next? 5, 4, 3. Next must be 2. 2. So 23 plus 2, 25. Which letter place value is 25? Y. All options are starting with 25. Okay, Y. So we are unable to decide our answer. So let's go with the second set of letters. What are the second set of letters? A, F, J, M. A, F, J, M. Write the place values. A's place value 1. F's place value 6. J's place value 10. M's place value 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. Identify the logic. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1, 6, 10, 13. 1 and 6 increased by 5, 6 and 10 increased by 4, 10, 13 plus 3 plus 3. Now plus 5 plus 4 plus 3. So what will be next? Plus 2. So 13 plus 2, 15. Which letter place value is 15? Wo. How many options are starting with YO? Only 2 options. Third option and fourth option. So first option is ruled out. Second option is ruled out. Now only we left with third option and fourth option. Okay. Now let's go with the third set of letters. What are the third set of letters in each group? D, I, M, P. D, I, M, P. D's place value 4, I's place value 9, M's place value 13, P's place value 16. 4, 9, 13, 16. Now identify the logic. 4 and 9 plus 5. 9 to 13 plus 4. 13 to 16 plus 3. Almost in every pattern we are getting the same logic, right? Plus 5 plus 4 plus 3, right? Now what will be next? Plus 2. 16 plus 2, 18. Which letter place value is 18? Or Y, O, or Y, O, or. How many options are with Y, O, or? Only one option. Which option? Third option. So my answer will be definitely which option? Third option. But here we'll discuss with the remaining two set letters also. Fourth letters in each group. F, K, O, R. F, K, O, R. F's place value 6, K's place value 11, O's place value 15, R's place value 18. Now 6 to 11 plus 5, 11 to 15 plus 4, 15 to 13 plus 3. So plus 5 plus 4 plus 3, what will be next? Plus 2. So 18 plus 2, 20. Which letter place value is 20? T. It is perfectly matching with the third option, Y, O, R, T. Y, O, R, T. Now go ahead with the fifth letters in each group. M, R, O, R. M, R, O, Y. Sorry. M, R, V, Y. M, R, V, Y. And place values. M's place value 13, R's place value 18, V's place value 22, Y's place value 25. 13, 18 plus 5. 18, 22 plus 4. 22, 25 plus 3. Plus 5 plus 4 plus 3. What will be next? Plus 2. 25 plus 2, 27. 27 is nothing but which letter? How to find it? 27 divided by 26. 26, 1 is 26. And what is the remainder? 1. What is the first letter? A. So A is also equal to 27. So A's place value is 1. Okay, 27 is nothing but again A. So Y, O, R, T, A. So which option? Perfectly matching with third option. Choice 3. So please copy the logic. And the logic is plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 for each group. For each letter in each group. First letters plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. Second set of letters plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. Third letters plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. Fourth letters in each group plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. Fifth letter also plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. And answer is Y, O, R, T, A. Any confusion? Okay. Now move to question number 26. Here also, each group consists of how many letters? 6 letters. Each group consists of how many letters? 6 letters. But there won't be any change in the logic. Our logic will remain same. So, again, write the first letters in each group. P, R, T, V. P, R, T, V. And the place values 16, 18, 20, 22. And the logic is plus 2. 16 plus 2, 18 plus 2, 20 plus 2, 22. So next will be 22 plus 4. 22 plus 4, 26. 22 plus 4, so 22 plus 2, 24. And video place value is 24, X. Almost all the options are with X, so we cannot decide our answer. Now let's go with the second set of letters. What are the second set of letters? A, Y, W, U. Place values. A1, okay. Y 25, fine. A is 1, or you can also write it as what? 27, don't forget. A is 1 or 27. So 27, 25, 23, 21. What is the logic? Minus 2. What is the logic is perfectly minus 2. 27 minus 2, 25. 25 minus 2, 23. 23 minus 2, 21. So 21 minus 2, 19. Which letter place value is 19? S. So my answer must start with X. Yes. How many options are matching with XS? Almost all the options. Okay, fine. Now go with the third letters in each group. D, G, J, M. Write the place values. D's place value 4, G's place value 7, J's place value 10, M's place value 13. 4, 7, 10, 13. What is the logic? 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. So what should be next? Plus 3 according to this. So 13 plus 3, 16. P is 16. So my answer must be X, S, P. Which option? X, S, P. Except the first option, it can be any option. Second, third, fourth. Now definitely we have to go with the third letters. But with the fourth letters, we can decide our answer, right? We have second option, third option, fourth option left over. And the fourth letter in the second option is F. Fourth letter in the third option is E. Fourth letter in the fourth option is K. So either it should be F, E, K. If you can decide that, you can decide your answer also. Now let's go with the fourth letters in each group. R, O, L, I. R's place value 18. O's place value 15. L's place value 12. I's place value 9. And what is the logic? 18, 15 minus 3. 15, 13 minus 3. 12, 13 minus 12, 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Which letter place value is 6? F. So X, S, P, F. How many options are with X, S, P, F? Only one option. Which option? Second option. So my answer is second option. So I got the answer. So in the exam, don't try to find out the remaining. Okay, that is time waste. But here we will discuss that. Now identify the next letters. S, W, A, E. S place value 19, W 23, A is 27 or 1. You know that. Again, A if you consider as a 1, E is a 5, so it is plus 4. So what is the logic is? 19, 23 plus 4, 23 and 1 is 27 also. Right. So 23 plus 4, 27. Now you consider it as a 1. So 1 plus 4, 5. What is the logic is? Plus 4. Now E, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. I's place value is 9. So perfectly matching here. Okay. Now identify the logic in the last letters, 6 letters. L, H, D, Z. L's place value 12, H 8, D 4, Z is 26. Right. Now, what is the logic? 12 and 8 minus 4. 8 and 4 minus 4. 4, 26 minus 4. Because English alphabet Z. D, C, B, A again Z. So minus 4. So now 26 minus 4. What is 26 minus 4? 22. Which letter place value is 22? V. So perfectly matching. So which option? Second option. And for logic for the first letters plus 2. Second letters so minus 2. Third letters plus 3. Fourth letters minus 3. Fifth letters plus 4. Sixth letters minus 4. Okay. Plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3 plus 4 minus 4. And the answer is choice 2. Please copy. It is choice 2. It is not choice 3. I am sorry. It is choice 2. Please correct it. You are writing the notes when I am explaining, right? Please keep noting down parallelly while I am explaining. Otherwise, we may not be able to complete it in stipulated time. Logic for first letters is plus 2, second letters minus 2, for third letters plus 3, fourth letters minus 3, fifth letters plus 4, sixth letters minus 4, plus 2, minus 2, plus 3, minus 3, plus 4, minus 4. Okay. Now, move to question number 27. Now, it is a combination with letters as well as digits. 1A, 2D, 3I, 4P, 5I, 6J. Okay. Now, again, procedure will remain same. Identify the logic in the first set of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What will be next? 7 definitely. Now, what is the relation between 1 and A? Identify that first. Relation between 2 and D. Definitely when these type of questions are given, definitely between the given number and the letter there will be some logic. Identify that logic. 2D, 3I, identify that logic. A's place value 1, D's place value 4, I's place value 9. 1, 1 square, 2, 2 square, 3, 3 square. It is perfectly matching. Number and square of that is written taken as a place value of the letter. So 1, 1 square, 2, 2 square, 2 square is 4 which is D, 3, 3 square is 9 which is I, 4, 4 square is 16, 16, T's place value is 16, Y, 5, 5 square, 25 which is Y, 6, 6 square is 36, what is the 36th letter? J. Now 7, 7 square. 7 square is 49. So we need to find out the 49th letter. How to find it? Divide by 26. 26 ones are 26 and the remainder is how much? 23. Which letter place value is 23? W. So my answer will be 7 W. So my answer is 7 W. Okay. Please copy the logic. There is the ink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So next will be 7 and logic in the letters are this one. A is 1 square, D is 2 square, I is 3 square, P is 4 square, Y is 5 square, J is 6 square. Similarly, 49 is nothing but 7 square is W. 49th letter is W. 1A and the logic is 1 and 1 square, that is A. 2D, 2 and 2 square, that is D. 3 and 3 square, that is 9, which is I. So 1A, 2D, 3A and so on. 7 and 7 square, 49. 49 is nothing but 23. W. So 7 W. Okay. Question number 28. Again. 2E3, 3H5, 5L7, 7 or 11, 11X, 13. First identify the logic in the first elements. What are the first elements? 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. What are these numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Definitely prime numbers. So after 11 will be 13. No doubt. Now identify the third elements. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. What is the pattern? Classification of numbers 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Consecutive prime numbers. Next to 13 will be 17. Okay, no problem. So my answer should be 13, 17. So choice 3, choice 1 are ruled out. Okay, fine. Now identify the logic in the letters. Identify the logic in the letters. E's place value. Okay, fine. Definitely the letter will be having some relation with the given numbers, right? Let us try to identify that. Even before that, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Next will be 13. Next, the first numbers are consecutive prime numbers that we know that. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are also consecutive prime numbers. So after 13 will be 17. Now, what is the given here? 2E3. 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. And E's place value is 5. Similarly, 3H5. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. H place value is 8. Now if you take similarly 13 plus 17 is equal to how much? 30. So 30th letter. 26 is Z. 27th is A. 29th is B. Sorry. 27th is A. 28th is B. 29th is C. 30th one is what? D. So what should be my answer? 13D 17. Choice 4. E, H, L or X. We can also discuss in another way. Here we correlated the given numbers and the letters. The another way is 5 and 8 is increased by plus 3, 8 and 12 plus 4, 12 and plus 6, 18 plus 8, 3, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So 3, 4, 6, 8. It is not following any pattern, right? Okay. No. But the logic is 2 plus 3, 5. And 3 plus 5, 8. Similarly, 5 plus 7, 12, which is L. 7 plus 11, 18, which is R. 11 plus 13, 24, which is X. So 13 plus 17, 30, and the 30th letter is D. Okay. The place values of the letters are the sum of the first and second numbers that we discussed. Place value of the letter is 5, which is equal to sum of the first and second numbers. Okay. Please don't copy this. There is something wrong in this one. Okay. Place value of the letters are sum of the first and the second letters. 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 8, 5 plus 7 12 L, 7 plus 11 18 or 11 plus 13 24, which is X. Okay. Similarly, 13 plus 17 30, which is D. Now, move to question number 29. B14G, D24F, G35E, K44D, P48C. Now let's see how these numbers are obtained. First, identify the logic in the first letters B, D, G, K, P. Don't forget that. First set of letters B, D, K, G, P. And place values B's place value 2, D's place value 4, G's place value 7, K's place value 11, P's place value 16. So 2 to 4 plus 2, 4 to 7 plus 3, 7 11 plus 4, 11 16 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So what will be next? Plus 6. 16 plus 6 22. V's place value is 22. My answer must start with V. Okay. Now identify the logic in the third letters, third elements G, F, E, D, C. Okay. G's place value is 7, F 6, E 5, D 4, 3, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Minus 1 logic, right? Minus 1. Constantly minus 1. So 3 minus 1, 2. So B's place value is 2. Okay. My answer must end with VB. Now we need to identify that which will come in between. Okay. Now here, if you observe the numbers, what is the given first set? B14G. B's place value is 2. G's place value is 7. Multiply it, what you will get? 2 into 7, 14. Product of the place values of the letters of either side of the number is equal to the given number. If you want to check it, D 24, F. D's place value is 4, F's place value is 6. 4 into 6, 24. Perfectly matching. Now similarly, V's place value is 22, B's place value is 2. So 22 into 2, 44. So my answer should be V44B. Choice 4. Okay. 14 is 2 into 7, which is 2 into 7, and the 24 is 4 into 6, 35 is 7 into 5, 44 is 11 into 4, 48 is 16 into 3. Similarly, 22 into 2 is 44. So V44B is our answer. Choice. The middle number is the product of the place values of the first and third letters. The middle number is the product of the first and third letters. First and third letters. The middle number is the product of the place values of the first and third letters. Okay. Choice 4. Logic in the first letters is plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, and logic in the third letters is minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 constantly. And the number is obtained by doing the product of first letter place value and third letter place value. That is, B's place value is 2, G's place value is 7. So 2 into 7, 14. D's place value is 4, F's place value is 6. 4 into 6, 24. Similarly, B's place value is 22, B's place value is 2. 22 into 2, 44. Choice 4. Okay. Now the last question for this class, this session. Question number 30. Here each group consists of how many letters? 4 letters. So identify the logic in the first letters. U, T, S, blank, Q. U, T, S, blank, Q. And write the place values. 21, 20, 19, blank, 17, which is missing. Minus 1, minus 1. So minus 1, minus 1. 19 minus 1, 18. 19 minus 1, 18. 18 minus 1, 17. So what is the missing one? R. Okay, my answer must start with R. So it cannot be the second option, it cannot be the third option. So first or fourth. No. Go with the second letters. G H I blank K. Write the place values. G is 7, H is 8, I is 9, blank K is 11. So 7 and 8 plus 1, 8 and 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, 10 plus 1, 11. Perfectly matching. So plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. So which letter place value is 10? J. So my answer should be R J. How many options are with R J? First option, fourth option. Still both are matching. Okay. Now identify the logic in the third letters. J I H blank F. Write the place values. J is 10, I 9, H 8 blank 6. 10 and 9 minus 1, 9 and 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1 if you do 7, 7 minus 1 6, perfectly matching. So logic is minus 1. So H minus 1 7. Which letter place value is 7? G. So my answer should be R J G. So fourth option, not the first option. But we'll check with the fourth letter also. In the exam, don't do that, okay? R S T blank V. R's place value 18, S 19, T 20, V 22. 18 19 plus 1, 19 20 plus 1. Again, if you do the plus 1, 20 plus 1, 21. Again, by doing plus 1, 22, perfectly matching with the given series. So plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 20 plus 1, 21. Which letter place value is 21? U's place value is 21. So R J G U. Okay. Please note down the logic. I will wait for some time. Logic in the first letters is minus 1 and the second letters is plus 1 and again the third letters minus 1, fourth letters plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Completed noting. Choice 4. And the answer choice is 4. Thank you for joining the class. If you have any doubts, please get back to us. Have a nice day.